I am the creator of my own reality, and today I choose to live on a vibration of love, abundance, and joy. I am enough, I'm compassionate, I'm loved, unconditional love constantly surrounds me, my family and friends 100% love and support. I deserve love, my heart is open, and the partner I seek is also seeking me. Hi, my name is Fiona and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing kind of a vlog today and it's going to be called Self-Care Sunday. Basically today I'm just practicing a whole lot of self-care. That was basically my morning routine. I'm going to go to the gym soon, but before that I have to finish editing a video that I am editing that needs to be done today, and that is my 30-day glow up. If you haven't watched it, it should be up by now. Definitely do watch it, but don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, comment something down below. It really helps my channel. It's getting really late today. Usually I go gym in the morning, so I have to go gym now before any other day is wasted. So I'm gonna go gym. Back dress. Went to the gym, I showered, and I had a little downtime, but I have not been able to finish editing my video, so I am doing that now. But soon I plan to go to a cafe and have a little self-date with myself, which I'm really excited to do. But first I need to finish this before I go out. OMG, I'm finally done with finished editing my video that took so long. That took longer than expected, but basically I just had to rewatch the whole thing and make sure that everything was concise. I managed to cut down from 17 minutes video to make it 12 minutes. I realized I blab a lot. That was really good. I'm so happy. Now I'm just gonna upload it. I'm just gonna call it my 30-day. Now I'm gonna go to a cafe. I'm gonna bring a journal and my phone and a book, and I'm gonna go and do some shadow work because your girl hasn't been journaling properly for a week. I want to do some shadow work. I want to release some trauma. Everything done so I can manifest my dream life and be at peace. Okay, let's go. This is my outfit of the day. I don't know why I'm showing you guys, but in Sydney we have to wear a mask when we go to shopping centers and indoors. This is me in my mask right now. I just came home, I went to the cafe. They told me that I was gonna close at 5. I didn't end up going to the cafe. I just bought a coffee for takeaway. Instead I went to the nearest ferry bar. Just enjoyed the view there, just spent some time alone, and so that was a really good session alone. Back from going out, and now I am going to cook Gigi Hadid's pasta recipe, and I'm so excited to do it. But I'm gonna cook it and I'm gonna show you guys how I make it, or how I made it and how it goes. So here's the pasta. I also have some fish on the side, so I'm gonna go try it out right now. It's good and it's a little bit spicy. I don't really get the hype of it, Gigi Hadid's pasta, but it is good. I'm gonna enjoy it with some soju. Have like half the bottle left, not even half, like less than half a bottle left. I'm gonna enjoy it and watch some shows, and yeah. Hey guys, it's been a week since I filmed that video, but I forgot to do the outro, so I'm gonna do that right now. So that is a little snippet, little cute vlog of my self-care Sunday, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel as it really supports me, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.